Hi guys, I'm Sarah with WTI, and as you can see here, I want to show you this product. This is a Cuccio Naturale cuticle oil that I have loved using. Now, what I really love about this product is that it really does moisturize the cuticle, and personally, when my cuticle is not properly moisturized, it gets really dry, and it just has a huge impact on my nails. It causes me to start picking, and it's really painful as well. So I love that this helps me a lot with my cuticles. I want to show you here. This is also, the ingredients has milk and honey, so this is just perfect for my cuticle. You can already see there that nice oil applying it on my nails, just using the roll-on as well, so I'm not wasting too much product. And you can see there with this product, I have my nails and my cuticles really nicely moisturized there, which I love. So I would definitely recommend this cuticle oil if you are looking to keep your nails and your cuticles nice and healthy, and that's my point of view.